How about this bug?
Don't touch me, don't touch me. Do not touch me. I hate it. Do you know what makes me hate? When you invite a friend to dinner, someone arrives half an hour early. I think this kind of person is really not polite. I tell you, that's what I hate. When you were drunk in sleep at night, a call came in suddenly, asking you to go out quickly. Do you know what it feels like? Oh, this feeling sucks. As a result, I couldn't eat for the next 3 days. My friend is very worried about my health.
Well, it seems you really hate this bug. So, what do you want to do with this nasty bug?
Like this.
This seems to be a very painful way. But what if it recurs? After all, a momentary act of joy can't clear away all the troubles.
Ah! Isn't it? I don't know. I really don't know.
How to solve both troublesome and recurring bugs? There are several ways. Anyway, let's get started.